5 liver lies that can hurt you. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're going to talk about 5 myths about your liver that could actually be hurting you. So I know you came here to learn about your liver, so let's get into it. Myth number 1. Liver damage only happens to heavy drinkers. This is a big one. This is a doozy. We used to think that liver disease was caused by drinking, right? It was caused by a bacterial infection, hepatitis B or C, and we called it alcoholic liver disease. But now, what we're seeing in practice is mostly non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, which is not caused by drinking at all. So what causes this? Well, believe it or not, the biggest thing is a poor diet and obesity.
And also diabetes?
So people who are not drinkers at all can have fatty liver disease. In fact, 25% of people of the world have some degree of fatty liver disease. And look at these stats. I mean, look at this chart. Fatty liver disease used to be 10% of the population. Now we're almost 30%, and it's growing every year. Why? Well, we think that's because of our diet and obesity. People are getting fatter and they're not exercising as much as they should. There's a lot of jobs that don't require much movement. And when we don't move as much, we don't burn calories, and we tend to gain weight. And when we gain weight, we tend to put fat in our liver. That's how fatty liver happens. So just because you don't drink alcohol doesn't mean that you're safe from liver disease. Number 2, liver cleanses and detox teas keep your liver healthy. Well, your liver cleanses itself. You don't need any help with that. In fact, many of these so-called detox teas have been shown to have really dangerous ingredients in them. I mean, just take a look at this side by side. On the left is an ad for a detox tea. On the right is what the science says. So what's in this detox tea? Well, there's Senna, which is a laxative. Okay, well, that's not approved by the FDA. There's also dandelion root, which supposedly helps with bloating and gas, but it's not proven. And then there's slippery elm, which can make you constipated. And then, of course, you have this other detox tea. Take a look at this one. Dandelion leaves. Okay, fine. Peppermint leaf, whatever. But then you have these mysterious ingredients right here. What are these? Where did they come from? Are they organic? On GMO, right? They're not telling you anything. What does the science say? The science says these products are largely unregulated.
Oh.
We don't know what's in them. So do you really want to start drinking these things? Don't waste your money on detox teas. Just drink plenty of water, eat whole foods, and that will keep your liver healthy. Myth number 3, liver problems always show obvious symptoms. Oh man, this one's a biggie. I see it all the time. You know, a patient will come in and they'll say, "Doc, I feel great. I have no symptoms. I don't feel sick at all. I'll run some blood work," and lo and behold, their liver enzymes are elevated. Their bilirubin is high. Their alkaline phosphatase is high. They have signs of liver damage and they feel great. Now, why is this? Well, the liver is called a silent organ for a reason. It doesn't show symptoms until it's pretty damaged. And what are the first symptoms?
Ow.
Usually it's fatigue. Some people call it a hangover, but you're not hungover. Your liver is just inflamed and you feel tired, or there might be a little bit of pain in the right upper quadrant where your liver is. Most people describe it as a dull ache. And so if you're feeling any kind of pain in that area, or if you're feeling fatigued, you should definitely go see your doctor and get your liver checked out. If you wait too long, the liver becomes cirrhotic and it becomes scarred. Then it's too late. So if you're having any symptoms at all, get it checked out. Number 4, supplements are always safe for your liver. Now, you know we love supplements, right? Supplements are great. But just like medications, you can overdose them. In fact, most overdoses to the liver are caused by supplements, not by medications. So what are some examples of this? Well, vitamin A. If you take too much vitamin A, especially this form of vitamin A, which is called retinol palmitate, it can cause liver damage. In fact, the FDA has issued warnings about this. Vitamin D. If you take too much vitamin D, guess what? You can get liver damage. Iron. Okay, you take too much iron. Liver damage. Also kava. Kava is a herbal supplement. It's supposed to reduce stress, but it can cause liver damage. And also green tea extract. Now you would never think that a green tea extract would cause liver damage, right? But if you take too much of it, and I'm talking about more than 3 cups of green tea per day, it can cause liver damage. Why? Well, it has too much catechins. Catechins are good for you in small amounts, but in large amounts they can hurt you. And remember, just because something is natural doesn't mean that it's safe. Cyanide, arsenic, natural, not safe. So just because something is a supplement doesn't mean that it's safe. There are a lot of supplements that are out there that can hurt your liver. So, before you start taking any supplements, make sure you ask your doctor first. Number 5, you can't reverse liver damage. Well, this is another big one. I hear it all the time. Doctors tell patients, hey, you have fatty liver, go lose some weight. Stop drinking alcohol, eat healthier, and we'll check it in 6 months. And the patient comes back in 6 months, and the liver hasn't improved. So then the doctor says, well, it's too late. You can't reverse it. But that's not true. You can reverse liver damage. I've done it hundreds and hundreds of times with my patients, but it takes time. It's not going to happen overnight. Just like you didn't get fat overnight, you're not going to lose all that fat in your liver overnight. But if you have early-stage fatty liver, or if you have fatty liver with a little bit of inflammation, which we call steatohepatitis, you can heal your liver. And I've seen it happen again and again and again. I've had patients with much worse liver disease than that have healed their liver. It's definitely possible. So if your doctor tells you that you can't reverse your liver damage, find a new doctor. Find a doctor that's willing to work with you. It's willing to give you the tools and education that you need to heal your body, because your body is capable of healing. It's amazing what the body can do. Human body is incredible. So just because you have liver disease, you haven't lost the battle. You can heal your liver. So which myth surprised you? Comment below. Let us know. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button. It helps a lot. And subscribe for more videos just like this one. We release 2 new videos every week. See you next time. Subscribe already. If you didn't do it, and if you did, watch this video right there. I think that'll help you too.